Hey guys, this is Oliver here with Zen Crypto, and in this brief video, we're going to get you set up with MetaMask in a way that's easy, safe, and secure on any web browser to get you into the decentralized world as soon as possible. Okay, so the first step is to go to MetaMask.io. Make sure you type the address properly, as oftentimes scam sites will slightly make a misspelling trying to catch you. So it's MetaMask.io, or simply click the link in the comments here to get the proper one. Now we go here to download. It's fairly straightforward. You can see here, since I'm on Google Chrome, it is telling me that this is Google Chrome. If you're on Firefox or Brave, for example, it will change it to whatever it is you're using. So now we click Chrome, and here we are. This is the official Chrome App Store. So we click Add to Chrome, and we're going to add the extension Yes, and give it a moment to download. And there it is. It has been successfully added to Chrome. And now we just wait a moment, it will pop up. And here it is with the cute little fox that follows your mouse, connecting you to Ethereum and the decentralized web. We're happy to be here too. So are we new to MetaMask? Yes, we are. So let's go here to create a new wallet. This page is simply just asking if you wish to help them improve by data collection. It's all anonymous. It's entirely up to you whether you choose to do this or not. I will agree and make a password. Now for your password, this is not your secret phrase. This is just a local password to help you access without needing to import every time, and while also keeping it from just being open to anybody that would open your MetaMask, right? So it's just a password for you. Also important to take care of, but it is not your secret phrase. We agree to the terms, and off we go. Okay, here we go. Now it's giving us a video to secure your wallet. I recommend watching the video, but the key point for me to emphasize here is the difference between a centralized and decentralized setup, right? So in a centralized world or decentralized setup like Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, etc., they hold the keys to your crypto. So you deposit funds into them, and then they hold custody of these funds. And then when you need the funds, you then ask them permission, please, sir, may I have my money back? And they send it to you elsewhere or wherever you like. Now, this has advantages because there's also customer service. There's a network there to help protect you, right? It's just like a bank, they have services to help you too in the event of lost funds. Now, the drawdown of the centralized setup is the fact that it's centralized. So if they change their minds, if they change their policies, or if the government, for example, steps in like we just saw in Canada, they can decide to freeze your funds. So we have a saying in crypto, not your keys, not your crypto. And basically what that means is if your money is held in a centralized exchange, you don't have direct control of it. Therefore, it's not technically yours to do as you wish. Now, with something like what we're doing now, it's a decentralized setup. And the great benefit of that is you have free access to your funds. Nobody can tell you what to do. There's no waiting time to withdrawal. There's no confirmations. It's just you and your money to do whatever you want with it the way it should be. Now, the drawdown to that is there's no customer service. There's nobody that can help you. It's like a double-edged sword. So if you lose your keys, for example, like the importance of security, if you lose your keys, nobody can help you at all. If you go on Twitter, you might occasionally find somebody saying, help, I lost my money. And there'll be dozens of comments that say, oh, MetaMask support here to help you. Please message us and we'll help you. But really what they're doing is these are scam accounts that are just trying to take your money from you. So just pay attention and know that 100% of the time, if someone's asking you for your secret phrase or your passwords or anything like that, 100% of the time, it is a scam. Scams are very high and common and rampant in crypto, given the decentralized nature. Um, so just be careful and know that 100% of the time, with absolute certainty, it is a scam. So that being said, let's move on to the next step. We're just going to click next. Now here we go. Here's our actual secret recovery phrase. We will reveal, and these are our words. So we want to physically write these down, which I'm going to do now. So that's that simple. And here we go. It's going to do a confirmation. So I'll do Q, Elder, Hulk, Mixed, Walnut, Real Box, Bleak, Tribe, Ill, Property, Hollow. And if it is entered wrong, it will not let you confirm. So we're good to go. And that's it. We're now set up. Again, it gives you some more safety tips here on how to store your secret phrase. A few things that I'll share from my experience. It's very tempting to write this down and want to snap a photo on your phone, right? But as soon as you do that, you now have an unencrypted copy of your keys. So it's very unsafe and unwise to do this. It's equally unsafe to type it in a Word document or note or anything like that that's not encrypted, as if your computer is stolen or your phone is stolen. These notes can then just be opened, and if somebody has these 12 words, they have all your money. So just be aware of that, that it's that important to take care of these words. So physical copies are great. You know, if you have like a fire safe box at home that you can stuff it in, or even so far as you have some trusted people around the world, like you can send half the phrase to mom, half the phrase to dad, and then they store it somewhere for you. These are just a few ideas. I also recommend using an encrypted password software program. I'm a big fan of 1Password. It's really changed my life, but worth checking out for you. Okay, so now we're set up, and let's go to, it's again telling you, like I'm saying it 100 times, they say it 100 times. It's very important to get into your mind that nobody can help you if you lose your keys. Okay, so we're all done now, and it's telling us some cool stuff about it being new. Now, what you're going to want to do is actually fund your account and begin using it. So now that you have this, you've created your secret phrase, which is like private for you. And now you need to have access to your public address so you can tell people to send you money and you can send yourself the money, right? The ETH. Now this is right here. See where if you hover over account 1, which you can rename your account in the settings if you like, you simply click this and it copies it to your keyboard, which if I paste it up here, you'll see it's the full address. Alternatively, once you close this, it's now gone. You'll find in your extensions, MetaMask, you click the MetaMask, and there it is, all the same. So you click to copy to keyboard, and you can paste that into your withdrawals of Kraken, Binance, etc., or send it to another MetaMask wallet, whatever you want to do. And that's how you get your account funded. And that's it. It's really that simple. You're now set up in less than 10 minutes and ready to use a decentralized world. If you liked the video, guys, go ahead and give me a like and comment. It really helps build my channel. And if you want to stick around, subscribe to the channel. I do twice weekly news updates as to the whole crypto space, what's going on. And we'll be doing more videos like this on how to set things up and how to integrate further into the decentralized world. So that's it for today. My name's Oliver. I'll catch you on the next video.